Welcome YouTubers to my tutorial on how to do a Persian snap, which is also called Beshkan. Beshkan in Farsi means to break, probably as a metaphor to the loud sound of the snap. This is a regular snap. This is a Beshkan. So essentially what you want to do is with your non-dominant hand, you want to have it relax with your fingers equally spaced apart. With your dominant hand, you want to have these three fingers bunched together and this separate and this separate. And then you want to turn your hand so that your middle finger it lines up to the first band on your non-dominant hand middle finger. And essentially, you want to create a crevice where your middle finger it's halfway like this, and you want to create a crevice or an air pocket right over here. And then essentially, you want to wrap your non-dominant hand thumb around your dominant hand's index finger, kind of to give you a little bit more leverage. Your dominant hand thumb will wrap around your other thumb, and then you want to be able to push your index finger right into the crevice, the air pocket you see right there. So when you push it down into that air pocket, that's what makes the loud noise. This is a cultural snap that you usually do at parties where there's dancing and loud music, and it's just a way to, keep the beat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you have anything cool about your culture that is, makes you guys unique, whether it's a whistle, a snap, a handshake, or anything, put that in the comments below as well. I'm curious to see, what else is out there in other cultures that is similar to the Beshkan in Persian or Iranian cultures. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.